Hi everyone, my name is Leah Marino and this is my Week 8 company presentation comparing the companies of Amazon and General Electric. Here's a little background on my modern company, Amazon. It's currently the largest internet retailer in the world, but it also allows individuals and businesses to sell and display their items online. The conveniency of Amazon is the main reason the company has grown to the size it is today. It was founded in 1994 in Seattle, Washington by Jeff Bezos, basically as an online bookstore. Last year, the company broke records by recording a revenue of $386 billion. They typically win notable awards every year, the most noteworthy of last year gaining the American Customer Satisfaction Index Internet Retail category and the Brand Z Award for Most Valuable Global Brand. The interesting thing about Amazon is that they have about 91 total services aside from their website. These include popular products such as the Amazon Alexa, Echo, Fire TV, Amazon Go grocery store, the Kindle, Amazon Prime, Ring doorbells, and the nationwide grocer Whole Foods. The services they create provides a convenience factor for consumers that keeps them coming back. The more traditional company I chose was General Electric. They are a global industrial company whose products and services range from aircraft engines, power generation, and oil and gas production equipment to medical imaging, financing, and industrial products. It was actually founded all the way back in 1892 by Thomas Edison as a way to market his incandescent lamp, and it has grown from there. Last year, the company recorded an annual revenue of over $79 million, $22 million of which the aviation arm of the company accounts for. A decent amount of their sales are actually for the U.S. Department of Defense. More than that, however, General Electric creates a third of the world's electricity, equips 90% of power transmission utilities, and manages 40% of the world's energy with their software. Both General Electric and Amazon meet the industry standard in the value discipline of customer intimacy, but since their customer bases are so broad, they do not lead in this area. General Electric leads in product leadership, which according to the article Customer Intimacy and Other Value Disciplines, is offering customers leading-edge products and services that consistently enhance the customer's use or application of the product, thereby making rivals' goods obsolete. The company has been a long-time leader in the power, renewable energy, aviation, and healthcare industries. They are continuous pioneers of new technologies and are always striving to innovate and produce state-of-the-art products. I listed Amazon, on the other hand, as a master in operational excellence, which is defined as providing customers with reliable products or services at competitive prices and delivered with minimal difficulty or inconvenience. They offer a wide array of products with competitive prices on an online platform. They are a leader in their field because of their mastery of this value discipline. The primary customers vary quite widely between the two companies. The main customers for General Electric are separated into four main segments. First, the power segment offers technologies, solutions, and services related to energy production. Next, the renewable energy segment provides wind turbines, platforms, hardware and software, offshore wind turbines, solutions, products, and services to the hydropower industry, blades for onshore and offshore wind turbines, and high-voltage equipment. The aviation segment provides jet engines and turboprops for commercial airframes, maintenance, component repair and overhaul services, replacement parts, additive machines and materials, and engineering services. The healthcare segment provides technologies in medical imaging, digital solutions, patient monitoring, diagnostics, drug discovery, and performance enhancement solutions. The capital segment leases and finances aircraft, aircraft engines, and helicopters, and also provides a financial and underwriting solutions. Anyone in these fields working with these technologies are most likely or have been at one point in time a customer of General Electric. Amazon, on the other hand, has a bit more of a broader customer segmentation strategy. The company sticks to the more traditional segments, including geographic, demographic, behavioral, and psychographic needs of their customers. Their main customer base consists of people with internet access between the ages of 25 to 50 years old. However, they are beginning to target younger audiences such as teenagers in developed areas. The main similarities between the two companies consist of the broad range of consumers they must serve. Neither have a specific target market. They use several different strategies of segmentation to target a large population of different people. Both General Electric and Amazon are very customer-oriented. The Chief Marketing Officer at GE, Bruce Stewart, quotes, "Our orientation is focused on delivering outcomes for our customers through intelligent environment solutions that address energy efficiency, business productivity, and safety and wellness and customer experience." GE's Energy's voice of the customer focuses on exchanging data between a customer company and GE Energy to understand various concerns of the company. General Electric also uses Salesforce as a way to connect sales and marketing people and give everyone access to the data that allows them to really know their customers. Finally, GE's brand marketing strategy and social media platforms allow them to connect their consumers on a much more personal level. Likewise, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos quotes, "We see our customers as invited guests to a party, and we are the hosts. It is our job every day to make every important aspect of the customer experience a little bit better." Amazon uses techniques such as tailored offers and promotions towards individual needs, personal data collection and storage, 24/7 customer support, and an evolution of services to help build relationships with their customers. The company also uses what is called the 16-cent marketing strategy, where if a product drops by even as low as 16 cents after you bought it, Amazon will refund the difference to your card. The loyalty program of Amazon Prime incentivizes return customers by offering rewards and free shipping. Both companies try to build customer relationships by focusing on the needs of the consumers and offering a wide variety of products to fit their needs. Both General Electric and Amazon are big supporters of using artificial intelligence and data collection techniques to incorporate into their business strategies. GE mainly uses AI technology to test their products and to monitor and predict engine failures. GE's digital twins are cloud-hosted software models of GE's machines that can be used to save money and improve safety for its customers. To help reduce downtime and losses, GE has installed sensors in machinery across every sector in which it operates. The data generated is analyzed to provide information on how the machinery is operating. Humble AI is a new form of AI being used in wind farms. Because wind directions and conditions are constantly changing, these algorithms have been trained to take a step back and relinquish control of the machine into a safe, default mode while it tries to learn and understand the new scenario. The Digital Ghost helps detect, isolate, and neutralize cyber threats against critical industrial infrastructure, such as power plants, before they can cause harm. AirX is an IA-based automatic workflow tool for MRI brain scanning that automatically prescribes slices to help reduce redundant manual steps. The company is also using a 3D printing process to design some of their parts. On the other hand, Amazon's flywheel approach means that innovation around machine learning in one area of the company fuels the efforts of the other teams. Amazon collects user data to analyze and store to provide better recommendations. Alexa is a voice-powered personal assistant that is available on most Amazon devices. A customer can visit the Amazon Go store to get a few items for dinner, ask Alexa to look up a recipe, and the product recommendation engine can determine that the customer most likely needs to purchase a certain type of saucepan. AI helps Amazon accurately understand why consumers want or buy something, which in turn helps their marketing strategy. Amazon uses big data gathered from customers while they browse to build and fine-tune its recommendation engine. The more Amazon knows about you, the better it can predict what you want to buy. Both companies have enlisted AI to help their products and strategies run smoother. Both companies have had key events that have influenced digital transformation. General Electric is attaching sensors to its machines that enable it to capture performance data. This data is then analyzed to provide real-time information to improve machine efficiency, prevent downtime, and enable effective scheduling of predictive maintenance. GE's main goals with their digital transformation is to deliver outcomes, whether they are well-lit classrooms in places that have never had them before, or stable power to hospitals. Although General Electric's digital transformation event is more about innovation, Amazon's goal is to digitally transform to make the customer's life easier. Features such as one-click checkout, the option to save multiple credit cards and addresses, and powerful search functionality accelerate shopping time. These have all been developed over time through listening and responding to information on customer behavior gained through analytics and feedback. Digital maturity is defined in the Achieving Digital Maturity article as an ideal organization transformed by digital technologies and capabilities that improve processes, engage talent across the organization, and drive new value-generating business models. Both General Electric and Amazon have organized for digital maturity in several ways. First, General Electric changes its cultural characteristics to suit certain business needs and industry trends. As the industry continues to move towards AI technologies, for example, GE is changing its company culture to become more AI-focused and aware. General Electric is also strongly recommending their employees to come forward with any innovation or digital ideas, no matter where they stand in the company. This gives the company a strong opportunity to organize for digital maturity. They have the technology and culture to do it. Similarly, Jeff Bezos comments, Amazon employees aren't just encouraged to come up with the next big idea, they're empowered to own and build it. Being a builder comes with an appetite for risk-taking. It's the best place in the world to fail. The two-pizza rule stipulates that each in-house team working on company growth must be small enough to be fed by only 2 pizzas. Additionally, The Pivot program pairs underperforming employees with career ambassadors who give guidance and support for a fixed period of time. This type of company culture allows Amazon to reach their full potential in a digital world. Each company has also used analytics to make personnel decisions. GE has created an app available to their employees, leaders, and HR based on a generic matching algorithm built by data scientists. James Gallman, the head of the People Analytics and Planning, explains it as GE's version of Match.com. It can take a person and match him or her to something else, online or conventional educational programs, another person, or a job. The company has also used analytics to help employees continue to educate themselves to climb the ladder in their career. Although Amazon is the more modern company in this comparison, they have had some more issues implementing analytics to assist with personnel decisions. Their attempt at using a recruiting engine brought problems as it ultimately showed a bias towards women, thinking them incapable to perform the jobs. Additionally, the company used to use a computer system to automatically track and fire hundreds of fulfillment center employees for failing to meet productivity quotas. Currently, the company is implementing its hands-off-the-wheel program, where the purpose is not to eliminate jobs but to automate tasks so that the company could reassign people to build new products. It is clear that General Electric is using analytics to improve the knowledge of their employees, while Amazon is using it to locate the best possible talent. That's it for my final presentation. I really enjoyed this class. I learned a lot, especially for an online course, and I'm excited to take these ideas into my career. Thank you.